dashboard camera, video camera for documenting traffic incidents, accidents, Full HD 1080p, G sensor, battery 3.7 volt, 200 milliamps, rechargeable Li-ion, 16 GB memory built-in, 4 digital zoom, 3 megapixel additional photo function, 3 years warranty from Lidl, Li-ion technology, no memory effect, low self-discharge, constant high performance, efficient and environmentally friendly. Some of the accessories included inside we are going to see as we are opening. Let's see the specs here. The box. A big manual, a large one. If you want to read it, of course, it's your choice. And another plastic case. Okay, well, let's open it then. That unboxing to unboxing. Okay, nice. Well, we've got the main unit, of course. Here it is. It's quite heavy, very durable. It feels very well manufactured. We do have the holder with a suction cap. Of course, all this we are going to tie into my car. We have the USB to mini USB. We have the 12 and 24 volts USB adapter charging to your car. Okay, everything is nice about that. And let's see the main unit. We do have a 3 megapixel CMOS digital image sensor. TARGA GMP8 costing for 5D. We have in Germany FAG Full HD 1080p. Car recorder is input 5 volt and 625 milliamps. Okay, nice. We do have an HDMI, mini HDMI, and there is no included mini HDMI in the box. The USB. Here you can mount it. You can rotate that. Nice. You can take it out if you want. Now we have the arrow up, arrow down, and the menu button. Next is the OK button, the M of choice button, the lock button for recording protection, and the on-off switch button. Here is the speaker and the camera lens. Okay, let's connect it and charge it, and then we are going to turn it on to see the menu into the screen. For charging we need this cable. You can connect it to your PC or a 5-volt charger, doesn't matter. Okay, as it's charging, let's see a little bit for the specs. Well, what is the G sensors is for automatic video sequence backup on impact or acceleration. Automatically adjust to lighting condition, adjustable video length and continuous recording settings, night recording possible with adequate street lighting, HD video resolution is all that. Nice. Okay, let's turn it on. There we are. Let's go to the settings. The OK. Capture mode. Single. Resolution. It's 12M. OK. Sequence. Off. Quality. Fine. Sharpness. Normal. White balance. Auto. Color. ISO. Auto. Exposure. Anti-shaking. On. Quick review. Off. Date stamp. Date and time. Yeah. Push again the settings. Goes to the date and time. OK. OK. Month is July 25. Okay, and the hour is year. Nice. ABC 1 2 3 and auto power off. It's off. Parking monitor, why not on? Parking monitor is when you're moving your car, it turning on the device. Beep sound on. Language English, okay. Frequency 60 Hz. Screensaver off. Format internal memory. Cancel. Default settings. Version. Well, that was all about the settings. Well, let's install it to my car and see how it looks. Well, here I am into my car, and you can put it behind the mirror. There it is. Just like that. Then connect it to my 12-volt car adapter. Okay, I have already connected. There's about 2 meters of length of cable. And here how it looks. Connected. Well, I will use it about 1-2 days, and next I will tell you my honest opinion how it works, if it's okay in the road, how it suits, if the video quality at night and at day is okay. You can adjust it, of course, from here. And it rotates from here. Well, that was all about the installation. Okay guys, I did shoot some videos with my car. I will show you in the process, but now I'm going to show you how to play this video into the camera, the dash camera. Let's open. Okay, here it is. Well, first of all, you can mute the sound. No, not recording any sound, just push that. You can see, let me So you closer, you can see how it goes with the arrow down button. Now to see your videos, you can push the M button here, and again 2 times you will see the first video. Now you can change the videos between them with the arrows up and down. Very easy. To play, you just push the button OK and it will start to play. Pushing again the OK, it will stop. Now you've got the volume up and volume down as you play it. You can see, you can manage with the arrows. Very easy. Now to go back for the recording, just push the M button again. Here we are. Push the OK button. It's starting to record as you see. Again, push it and it will stop. 1080p Full HD, push it again. You can zoom in, zoom out with the arrow up and arrow down button. The resolution is very good. I was surprised at how good it is. I will show you in real time how I was recording into the trip rod. The sound was not so good for me, the sound recording, but I didn't care so much. Now if you want to see your videos that you already record, remember you've got a 16 gigabyte of internal memory. You cannot put any SD card. This is the minus for this device. You can just push the M. You will see the first video, then the settings button, and with the arrow go to delete. OK, delete the current. It will say again erase this, yes, OK, and push again the OK button. Of course you can protect one of the video. Just go to the protect, OK, lock current, and it will protect your video that you have choose. Now if you go to delete it, delete current, it will say protected. To unprotect again, go to the protect, unlock current, and then you can delete it. That was all. Now you can go back. When you're pushing for the OK for recording, you can push the lock button and you will see here the lock. That means you cannot push any other buttons, only the arrow down, arrow up for the zoom in, zoom out. If you try to push the button for off, the button, it will turn off your device, but it will keep recording. You can see. That is very convenient. Now let's move on to the recording videos to see the quality. Well guys, that was all about this dashboard camera. You can see the resolution was very nice, full HD 1080p, thumbs up. It cost only 50 euros. You can shoot about 10 hours with a 1080p resolution. Of course you need more time to shoot. You can go to 720p. That's nice. The Only thumbs down. Doesn't take any micro SD card. If you can live without it, it's your choice. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.